Like, oh my god, it's shedding so much, I don't know what to do. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video is going to be on this cute baddie that I have on right now. Before we get into the details of everything, you know, about the wig, I'm going to do my install portion. Of course, I always do the install. This was a quick, easy install, super easy install. And I'm going to also give you the details on like the wig construction as well. So yeah, I will see you guys after you get done watching that.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. When they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm Birkin. Don't not a rock with the workin'. Cause you know I love them all, to me you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn things. That's okay, cause baby you got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. They really like in a murder game using. Oh, you not a rock with the working. Cause you know I love them all, to me you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn things. That's okay, cause baby you got it, girl, you got it. Ay.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the install portion of the video. Now it's time to get into all the visual details of this unit. Okay, so I'm reading off of my phone so I can give you guys the complete details about this unit. This unit is from an Amazon-based company called Aisi Queens. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's AISI Queens. This is their long curly ombre brown wig. It is 130% density. This maybe feels like 150% density. It is very full for a synthetic wig. So this is the color is the R6 2730. So it is on Amazon for $21.99. Amazon Prime, so you can get it in, depending on when you order it, you can either get it the next day or you can get it in 2 days if you are an Amazon Prime member. So it does not say what inch this is, but this literally goes like, it goes down to like where my belly button is. Like the girl on the picture, hold on, so let me see if I can focus that. So the girl on the picture, you can kind of see how it looks on her. That's pretty much how it comes down on me. So it is definitely the wig that's in the picture, for sure, for sure. It came with, I believe it was 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. It came with adjustable straps, and this is the only lace right here. This is the only lace. It's a little bulky in this area, so then I did take my bed head spray it just to mold it down just a little bit to make it as flat as possible. It is a middle part, but if you wanted to, you could definitely turn it to different size depending on what you like. Like, I don't know, let me turn it, let me see how it looks. Hold on, because I'm trying to step out of always doing middle parts. I mean, always doing side parts. I'm trying to step into like the middle part gang, but it's a little hard. It's a little hard because I love side parts. But let's see if I turn it how Let me see. It's a wig. It's a wig now. So for my head, I would say we're just gonna leave the side part by itself. We're just gonna leave that where it's at. This is a middle part wig, and we're gonna keep it as a middle part wig. I tried to do little baby hairs, but they did not work out. It's just the way the lace is set up is just really thick, so baby hairs is a no for this. Let me get up close so you guys can see the texture of this unit. So I'm getting like a deep loose wave feel from this. Yeah, about a deep loose wave feel from it. I'll turn to the back so you guys can see how full it looks. Okay, so that is the back. So that was just the back of the hair or whatever. Super cute, definitely giving me summer beach vibes. I say that a lot, but a lot of wigs give me summer beach vibes. This is really cute. So let's get into some pros and some cons about this unit, because bitch, there's some pros, but there's definitely some cons. Pros: big head friendly. I love a big head friendly wig because my head big as hell. Okay, and it's definitely you can adjust it to be snug, you can adjust it to be loose, it don't matter. You can adjust this to your liking, even if you have a small head. With the way the adjustable straps are, I'm pretty sure that you'd be able to adjust this to your liking or whatever. Cons: shedding. It's shedding like a lot. I literally just like brushed my hands through it, and like I literally just got like tangling, shedding, like literally just got some shedding. Like, it's shedding a lot, but it's not like, oh my god, it's shedding so much, I don't know what to do. Nothing like that. It's just shedding, just a little bit of shedding. So not too much shedding. It's really cute. I would not recommend brushing this. I would just recommend just moving your hands through it. Do not sleep in this wig. This wig is something that you're not going to wear all day. You're just going to wear this for a couple hours, because if you wear this all day, it's going to look crazy by the end of the day. It's one of those wigs that it's going to look crazy by the end of the day. Do I feel like it's worth the $21? Yes, it is worth the $21. And they also have coupons that you can clip and save as well. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say about this unit. It was a quick, easy install, easy unit, pretty much. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I already know, like, especially like on my Snapchat, people are going to be asking where these lashes are from. These lashes are from House of Luxe in the style Naomi, and then this lip gloss is the Barbie Tingz with a brown lip liner, a subtle brown lip liner. Anyways, that's all I have for this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.